Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Satabdi Dhar, and today in this video I am going to discuss with you about how to write and interpret the shell script. So to know how to write and interpret the shell script, we have to use the Ubuntu operating system. Now, what is the shell programming or the shell script, or what is a shell? A unique shell program interprets user commands which are either directly entered by the user or which can be read from a file called the shell script or shell program. Here, the most important thing is to remind that shell program is interpreted, not compiled. You don't need to compile the shell scripts. There are different types of shells. We will learn here the bash shell scripting. So, we have to first open the terminal. So, here is the terminal. Now we have to know what the shells our OS is supporting here. So, the command is cat etc shells. Now, this is the shell which is the original shell which is used in Unix systems, and we are going to use this bash shell which is known as born again shell, which is somehow improved from the bone shell or the original shell. Now, to know where our shell is located, we have to write the command which, that is which bash. Now here you can see the location, that is bean bash. Okay, that is where our bash is located. Now I am navigating to desktop. So in desktop I am going to create a editing file, that is touch touch. First, we are going to write a program for hello world. So I am giving the name as hello and the extension name with sh. It's a good practice to give the name with sh because the editor will understand whether it is a shell programming or not. Okay. Okay. Now you can see that in the desktop the hello.sh is created. Okay. Now giving the command ls-as. Now to check the mode of the created editing file, that is hello, we are giving the command ls-al So you can see that the hello.sh is showing that hyphen rw, that is it is readable and writable for you, readable for the group, and readable for the user, that is only permission is to read for the user. Now we will write some code in our editing file, that is hello.sh. So at the beginning of this program, I'm writing that hash bang slash bin, that is the location of the bash, slash bash, hash bang slash bin slash bash. And in this program, I'm going only to display the hello world. So the code is echo hello world. So save it first, then go to the terminal. Now to execute this program, you have to write dot slash the name of the code, that is hello dot sh. So here you can see that the permission is denied. For what? For execution. So we have to change the mode of the file, hello.sh file. We have to change the mode of this file to executable file. So the code will be chmod plus x and the file name hello.sh. Now again, to check whether the mode is changed or not, the command is ls al. So here you can see the change that hello sh is changed to rewritable and writable and executable for the for you, and executable for the group, and readable for from the permission is executable for the user. It's changed from here. Now we are going to execute the file. So hello world is displayed here. After executing the file, the hello world, that is we have given in the editing file, that is echo hello world, anything, any message written in the echo is given like that, hello world. To clear all these things, you have to give the command clear, and it's cleared. Hope through this video I can make you understand how to write and interpret the shell script. Thank you for watching this video. We will discuss more about the shell programming in my upcoming videos. So don't forget to subscribe my channel.